guys! It's juicing day! Okay, so I'm gonna skip this whole part. I'm just showing you guys what I'm gonna use. So far I've peeled my oranges. This is my orange peels. I'm gonna use it for air freshener, and I have still limes, lemons, beets, celery, ginger. Okay, so here we go, guys. We're so close to juicing. I just want to tell this to you guys, just in case you're juicing at home. Whenever I do limes and lemon, I would peel the zest off, because the zest kind of give like a bitterness to the juice. That's why I would usually peel them off, and then what I usually do is just I would put it in the tray and then I would just leave it in my kitchen. That's just gonna smell the whole room citrusy. I love citrus. So in this juice, this is gonna be called the ultra tanning juice, because this is the juice that I've been drinking this past summer. And for this juice, I'm gonna be using 3 lemons, I think like 10 limes and key limes, and 3, 6, 9, 12, probably 15 oranges, some beets, and celery. We are finally ready to start. So before we start, I want to talk about this lively fruits that I have in front of me, and I want to talk about their benefits. So right here I have some beets stalk. This is coming from the beets, and some celery. Celery is good for rehydration, for proper blood flow, for our nervous system. There's actually a guy who made a book, just like a whole thick-ass book about celery. And right here, we have some beets. I just discovered beets and how good beets are recently. And if you look at the beets, it looks like it's like a heart. Because you look at that, it looks like just like waves of hearts inside. You can see it here. Yeah. So beets, what does beets do? Beets helps with the regeneration of the blood. As you can see, it's red, and it's packed with antioxidants and vitamin D. Vitamin D helps with the proper utilization of vitamin C. So vitamin D can also be activated with the use of the sun. You see, guys, how potent beets are. Some people use beets for lipstick, and some people use beets for, soups and stuff. But I just really discovered how good beets are, so I've been using them to juice. And right here we have some limes and key limes. Limes and key limes overall are very good in it aids in weight loss, it aids in clearing of the skin, vitamin C. For sinuses, it clears mucuses out of our respiratory system. And lemons is kind of like the same as vitamin C. I don't really know the difference, guys, to tell you honestly, but there's just like I just managed to use lime, lemon, and oranges, and then ginger. I love ginger. Ginger is very inflammatory, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, very good for the throat. I love ginger. And right here is oranges. So you can notice here, guys, that I have a lot of oranges, because this is gonna be contributing to a lot of the sweetness of the juice. So we are going to start juicing, and I'm gonna show you guys the whole process of how are we going to extract this good juice from this lively fruits. So it works just like this. You're just gonna put in the vegetable, and you're gonna see the juice come right out of here. And this is a slow press kind of juice, so the juice comes, and then it comes like it's very smooth, so you don't really have to strain it anymore, because some people, they use blender and stuff. I managed to buy this juicer because there was a point when I was really inspired to juice, and up to now, like I managed to juice every like Say for example, every week, at least once a week. Okay, so we're gonna put more celery. You guys can see how potent the beets are. The juice that's coming out is very purple. Throw in some limes. Some lemon, probably like 3 pieces of lemon. Just a little bit of everything, so if we make the first cup, it's not gonna be like, you know, the taste is not gonna be out of balance. It's gonna be it's gonna give it like the nice flavor, sweet flavor, sweet, juicy, healthy flavor. So here we go, guys, first batch of juice. You guys can see how potent this juice is. It's clearly violet. See? And we're gonna make some more. Second batch of juice, guys. Woo! I love this juicer, guys. You have no idea. Alright, we're done, guys! On to the finals! Final juice of life. This is pretty heavy. Drink some. good. I love the sweetness and the sourness of the same juice and the ginger flavor. The beets doesn't. I don't really know how does the beet taste, but yeah, a long time. And trust me when I say I really need it. All right, guys. See you again. On the first 2 jars that I made, I put ginger, celery, and stuff. But on this one, this is like on the last drop of the juice. This is just beets, oranges, and lime, and it just tastes really sweet. And I just want to tell you guys that if your preference is sweetness, you can ditch the ginger, the lime. You know, it's always up to you. Like, it's really up to you guys on what do you want to put in your body. But it's just that sometimes I want to drink something with a kick. That's why I like drinking it with ginger. All right, cheers to the juice life. It's sweet. Beets are sweet, honestly. That's what I think. I think it's really true. Beets and oranges.